Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to make private posts to public on TikTok. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here to open my TikTok app. Just like so. Having opened up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on profile from the bottom right here. Take you to your profile page. Every private video or hidden video is going to be found right here. What you need to do is to simply click on here. Take you right here. Then you can see the padlock here on this particular video, which means the video is being private. Then how we can make this video public? What you need to do is to simply click on the. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply swipe this way. And you have to navigate to privacy settings. Then you have to switch from only you back to everyone. You just simply click on here. Boom. It's as simple as that. So by the time you go back to your TikTok page, by the time you refresh your home page on TikTok profile, then you have the video. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to make private posts to public on TikTok. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you